Do you also think you need 6 months of expenses saved before you're financially safe? Well, not necessarily. If that's what you've always believed, then you're in the right place. In the next few seconds, I'll show you a simple 3-tier emergency fund system so you know exactly how much you should aim to save. Let's begin. Here's the biggest mistake. People with completely different lives are given the exact same financial advice. Someone living alone with a stable salary doesn't need the same emergency fund as a freelancer, someone supporting a family, or a person with an unpredictable income. Instead, use these 3 tiers. Tier 1, Starter Shield. Save your first $1,000. This can cover many common emergencies, such as a car repair, a medical bill, or an unexpected home expense, without relying on a credit card. Tier 2, Stability Fund. Build 3 months of essential expenses, including housing, groceries, utilities, insurance, and other basic necessities. If you have a steady paycheck, this is a solid goal. Tier 3, Freedom Fund. Save 6 to 12 months of essential expenses if you're self-employed, a freelancer, have an unpredictable income, or work in a job with less security. Don't feel like you have to save it all at once. Open a separate savings account. Automate even $20 a week and let consistency do the heavy lifting. Remember, everyone's financial situation is different. Your ideal emergency fund depends on your income, expenses, responsibilities, and job stability. Use these tiers as a guide, not as a one-size-fits-all rule. Which tier are you working toward? Comment 1, 2, or 3, and I'll reply with a tip that's specific to your stage. Subscribe to Money Growth Hub for simple, practical strategies to grow, manage, and protect your wealth.